Open. So this is one of my page. So you go to these three dots here, you click on these three dots up on your phone, then you go to settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy. We are checking if this page has quality for monetization. So it will open. You go to setting, go to setting. Hold on, let the thing open. So as you go to setting, you go to page setting, to page quality. As you can see it here, you click on this page quality. As you click on it, you can see good news, no violations to show, page has no issues. This means that your page is eligible for monetization. Like if you get to what Facebook needs you to get, you can monetize your Facebook. Now let's check out another page. But if your page have this yellow issue, that means your page is not qualified for or eligible for monetization. So follow me for more information how you can solve this kind of issue, because I'll be making a video how you can solve it so that your page will turn back to green. That green badge means your page have no issue, and anytime you reach Facebook requirements, you are going to monetize your Facebook peacefully and safely. So follow me, share this video. If this video is useful, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, share. God bless you, and don't forget to follow me for more guidance on how you can solve this issue. Go and check whether your page has any issue or is